Oh, it's a beautiful morning, and today's the first day of 2023. Yeah, I can't wait for events of 23. Yeah, me either. Oh, look at this view. Wow. You can see the beach. It was happening last night. Bird annoying. So we're getting packed today, Mario. Yes, we are. And it's also nearly, maybe 8 o'clock in the morning, so can you please be quiet? Everyone's trying to sleep. Okay. Wait. I'm gonna sit down. Mario, what you doing there? Sorry, I just felt like it. Well, I'll go have some breakfast and we can go in towns or something. Wait, are we going town? We have to wait and see. Okay, so no longer ready. Wait, I'm gonna go back inside. Today's the first day of 2023 for New Year's Day. That was a good breakfast, isn't it? Yes, I know it is. It is. So what are we going to do now? Well, we're going to be getting ready soon, and after that we're going to walk and find some places in town. Okay. Like, we'll see when we get there. Okay. We're going to the town, and after that we'll be going back home. But we had a good time at the beach yesterday. We saw the New Year's Eve fireworks last night. Well, anyway guys, so we're at the town, so we can see right here. We're about to get out of the car soon before we park, right? I'll see you there. Hello guys, Mario Luigi here, and we arrive at the town. Look, see? A bit like Sorrento we went last year in January. I know, it's 2023 now. Some of the guys are at home. Look, this store. It's a bit like the toy store, but some of the guys, I'm gonna meet them when we get home. Right, let's look around the stores. Right, time to eat this donut and drink this Sprite. Alright, let's go in. Hey Mario, this Luigi? Are you gonna eat that donut? Yeah. And the Sprite? Yeah, I'm gonna eat them all, and we can go to some other stores. Okay, just eat them all. Do not take too fast or something. Alright, I won't. I'll try to eat it. Guys, did you enjoy me watching me eating that pink donut? Yeah, I know. It's from The Simpsons. Simpsons? Who has the pink donut? Homer. I remember Homer. He's the fat guy. Yes, I know. You want to go any other stores? Yeah, but there's some Christmas tree outside. Oh, we'll have a look at that when we finish resting while you're full. Oh, okay. Nice. I'll just rest before I get ready. Okay. Wow, look at that Christmas tree. I never seen one in inverloch before. But anyway, it's also 2023 now. 2022 has finished. Look at that. Huh. Ooh, what's this? The lolly shop. I'm gonna go to the lolly shop. Nice. Let's go to the lolly shop. Right, I'll meet you there. Ooh, guys, Sonic told me that this is the lolly shop in inverloch. Whoa, these eggs. Oh, chocolate. Oh, let's see what that is. What? Pooplets? I've never seen one of these pooplets before. That's gross. Let's see. Oh, lollies. Nice. Tasty. Nice. Let's go look around. Oh, look at these. Nice. Look at that. That's too-way sugar for me. Very nice. Oh, these are. Look at that inverloch. Wow, pelicans. I've never seen pelicans before. They're only at the Phil Island. This is nice. Nice. Let's go look around. Let's see. Look at these. This is so cool. Look at this chopper chop. Nice. Wow, look at these lollies. Look at these eggs. They're baby stuff. Look at this plastic fake iPhone. That's the old iPhone, isn't it? 2007 it used to be. Look at that Kool-Aid. Yeah, that's cool. Around. Oh, M&M's. Wow. I'll have a look outside. There's an M&M. Oh, it's very nice. Anyway, I think we should go now. I think we're about to leave soon, but I'll have a couple of good minutes and I will go back. Nice. Have a look for 5 minutes and I'll be done. Alright, now I'm about to leave, but don't worry, I might come there again next time, well, next year or something. But we said it's 2023, but now it's 2023, but it's not 2022 anymore. Look, it's very cool. Nice. Nice. I'm about to get in the car. Look at this fish and chip shop. I've been in vlog before, but I haven't seen him. I've been doing this years back in the past. Well, anyway, it's time to go home, and I'll see you when we get in the car. But I hope I had fun in vlog, and we'll see some guys when we get home. Bye. Man, these fireworks from last night and New Year's Day was awesome, guys. Yes, it was. It was too. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, glad to be back at home right now. Well. We haven't seen you guys a while during New Year's Eve. Who are you? Wait, Movie Sonic? You never noticed we've been to inverloch? You've been to inverloch, yes, I have heard of you been to inverloch. And also, we've been even watching the fireworks at Bundoora. Yeah, me too. And Mr. Bean's first time fireworks. Yeah. And anyway, Daddy, it's my first time fireworks seeing this on your channel. Yeah, and me either. Anyway, also it's 2023 because it's the new year. Oh, Happy New Year, Koopa Trooper and Movie Sonic. Thank you. Well, my Sonic Hedgehog 2 movie is released in 22, but now it's 2023. Yes, it is. Alright, so what do we do, guys? Because I'm bored, because I'm tired from the 2-hour drive. I think we should go to sleep because I think we should rest for last night and today. Yeah, we're gonna sleep. Alright. And also, guys, before I go to sleep, Happy New Year of 2023. I know we had done it last night and watched the midnight fireworks, but already did. Right? So Happy New Year of 2023, and we're gonna do some awesome special events this year. Right.